Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that allows you to link related work across different boards, making it easier to track dependencies and maintain a clear overview of interconnected projects. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open the board you want to connect from. This is the board where you'll be creating the connection column. Once you're viewing your board, look towards the far right side of your screen where your column headers are displayed. You'll notice a plus icon sitting right next to the last column header. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This will open up a menu showing you all the different types of columns you can add to your board. From the column menu that appears, select Connect Boards. This is the column type specifically designed to link your boards together. When you click on it, a pop-up window will appear with several configuration options for your new connection. In this pop-up, you'll see a button labeled Select Boards. Click on it to choose which boards you want to connect to. This is where you specify the destination boards that you want to link with your current board. A search interface will appear, allowing you to browse through all your available boards. Use the search bar to find the target board or boards you want to connect. You can select multiple boards if you need to link to several different workspaces. Once you've found the right boards, click on them to select them. This flexibility allows you to create complex workflows where one board can reference items from multiple other boards. Now, here's an important option you'll want to consider: toggle the two-way connection option on. I strongly recommend enabling this feature because it allows for bidirectional sync between your boards. This means that when you link items, both boards will display the connection, making it much easier to track relationships from either side. Once you've configured everything, click Connect Boards to finalize the setup. Your new Connect Boards column will now appear in your board, ready to be populated with linked items. Give it a moment to process and appear in your column view. Now let's talk about actually linking items. Click on any cell in your newly created Connect Boards column. If you've connected multiple boards, you'll first need to select which board you want to pull items from. A drop-down will appear showing your connected boards. After selecting the board, you'll see a list of available items from that board. Choose one or more items that you want to link to the current row. You can select as many items as needed, allowing you to create comprehensive connections between related work items across your Monday.com workspace. And that's it. You've successfully connected boards in Monday.com and linked relevant items together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.